Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to find the constant of proportionality and how to use that to fill in a table, and then how to graph that table, and finally how to write an equation from that information. So the first thing that we want to do, this spot right here is really important because it tells us basically that y is 7 times bigger than x every time. We can actually check that by doing y divided by x, y divided by x. This one is blank, so we'll find that in a second. 56 divided by 8 is 7, and so on. So basically each time we move through here, y is exactly 7 times bigger than x. We can actually use that to find out my missing y's here. So if we did 7 times 7, we would get a 49. 10 times 7 gets us 70. 13 times 7 is 91. And 20 times 7 is 140. Okay, so that's how we use and find the constant of proportionality. Next, we want to graph that information. So we're not going to graph everything. We'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little 7 out there. And my y actually needs to go up pretty quickly here, so maybe we'll go up by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is my y, and this is my x. So when x is 1, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 21. And the last one that we can really get on our graph here, when x is 7, y is 49. It's going to be somewhere about there. Now, because this graph is just a sketch and we're not using grid lines or anything, my graph's not going to be perfect, but ideally you would get that number to pass right down, or that line to pass right down through here, which would be 0, 0. The last thing that we need to do is to write an equation representing the proportional relationship. So we're going to start with a y equals, and then we come right back to this proportional value here. Each of my y's was exactly 7 times bigger than all of my x's. So y is equal to 7 times x, or just 7x.